Hi, I'm Alessio, and I'm here to guide you on how to accept the invitation for this conference and how things work. So let's just get into it straight away. You should have received an email or a link to the actual conference. So just click on it and it should take you to the conference. So let's have a look. I'll go and accept my invitation. It should take you to the conference page, which is up and running. Please log in with the email, sure. So sign in to join the event. You do need to sign in. You can create your own, or generally I just log in with Google. So let's do that. So this is a completely new account. That's got nothing in it. I haven't created anything yet. And great. So I am actually inside the conference now. As you can see, it already pulled down a few things, such as the my profile picture, but you can go and change it. So you can go here to my profile, you can change things, you can edit it, so that people can actually see you. As you can see, there is actual tables. There are actual tables that you can sit on. So the idea for this conference is that you talk to the people on the same table as you. We try to have this spatial feeling attached to the conference. We just want to make it a little bit different than if you just go into a Zoom channel where everything is, just faces of people. So you can go on a table, and when you go onto a table, you will basically be in kind of like a room. So you can go there, and maybe I will go there with my other account as well, so you can see a little bit better. Which I cannot, unfortunately, right now, because I have more than one version running. So I can't log in with two accounts right now. I will do that later. So once you get on so here you have tables. So you can actually go and sit down at the tables. When you sit on a table, your camera will start and your microphone will start automatically. So you need to make sure that you enable those. And you will only be able to hear and see and talk to the people on that specific table. So you can see people on the table. You want to move to another table, just double click on the other table. What you see up here is the actual stage. So the stage is where the announcer can talk to everybody. So the announcer can make some announcements, some presentations, and the announcer or whoever is on the stage is the only person who can talk to everybody. So whatever you say will always be on the table, unless you are on the stage. If you are on the stage, everybody will be able to hear you. Otherwise, you are just like in real life, you're mingling on your table. And that's a very important factor for us. If you go around, you can see a few things. You can go like to the sponsors table. So potentially we're gonna have people here representing the companies. You can see this like banners that you can click on. So for example, there's a video here running, and you can visit, you can do a, what do you call it? A click to action, or a call to action. So if you have an idea and you want to share it and you want to have people to look at it, feel free to contact me so that you can actually put this on. I can add a banner for you. What else do we have? We have the ability, if you are on a table, you can also chat with people. Okay. So when you are on a table, you can do a whole bunch of things. You can share your screen if you want with other people on that table. What else can you do? You can start a whiteboard, for example, with people on the table, so that you can actually share the same whiteboard. And once again, this is just for the people on the table to see. So it's a whiteboard. It's basically a shared whiteboard. Everybody can go and do things there. The other part is the actual chat. So when you chat, you have different chats. You have the general chat. So basically everyone will be able to hear or see. you can have the table chat, which only the table, of course, will be able to hear. And then you have the private chat if you want to talk to one specific person. And this is pretty much how it works. Feel free to go around, feel free to explore, have fun. If you want to show your camera, just make sure that you click on cam. Now it's not, I can't do it because my camera is already taken by something else. But yeah, I hope you like it and I hope you have fun. I think it's pretty easy to use. Thank you.